Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Skidly Diddly. As you guys know, or if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, I have been using the DUCKY 1.2 Mini for about a month now, and I'm absolutely in love with this keyboard. Now, I've been asking myself, how can I possibly make this keyboard better? Yes, I can upgrade the Type-C connector to give it a little bit more, finesse, a little bit of, But I decided, let me make a better gaming improvement by adding keycaps. So what I decided to do was go on Amazon, look around, and I found myself the TAI-HAO Bing Blau beautiful gray textured keycaps. Now, I decided to go with the gray because there was something about it that I wanted. These obviously only fit the Cherry MX switches. On the back, what you're going to see is instructions on how to install these. Now, this is my first time doing it. I didn't read the instructions, but it looks pretty common sense. But look at that beautiful little TAI-HAO escape cap. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait to install this. Ooh, look at that. Now, as you can see, my camera's having a tough time picking up the true color of it, but it's a light gray, but it's not as light as the camera's making it show. It's a little darker than what it actually is on camera. But what I will say is TAI-HAO did a wonderful job on making these keycaps. And if you're in the market looking around for some rubbered keycaps, listen, spend the $40 premium for the quality that you're going to get. I don't know how any of those other cheaper ones are, the $20, the $15, the $10 ones, but all I'm saying is for $40, this is your best bang for your buck. But anyways, if you are loving the content, please leave a comment, drop a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I will be trying to post a little more often. If there's anything else you would like to know about these keycaps, please do let me know.